welcome to TV9 News. I'm your host Ashish and this is
Jyoti.
Well, Valentine's Day is coming up, so we decided to come to the heart of Delhi and find out if we can get lucky this Valentine's Day.
Absolutely, and we have challenged a rose day to each other and find out who gives away roses quicker.
Absolutely. Let me lay down the rules real quick. We've got 9 roses each and we'll be giving it out to strangers, and the only rule is that we've got to give it before the other person does, and that is the only rule. And also we've got to not tell the other person that we are doing this particular challenge. So Jyoti, let's go out there. Let's see who gets luckier this Valentine's Day and who can finish these 9 roses quicker.
Well, all the best, Ashish. Let's see. I think I'll be the winner.
We'll find that out. Without much further ado, let's get started.
In my hand to start my rose race challenge and see how long I take to give away all these roses to strangers in this Connaught place. So wish me luck and let's see what happens next. Hey, hi. Would you accept this rose from me? Okay. Bad luck. Rejection. So unexpected. I thought that person will accept my rose right now. Rejection on my face. What is so cruel? I'm not finding even a single person to give away these roses. This can't get worse. I couldn't find even a single soul who accepts my rose. Another rejection on my face. Right now. What gets worse? I'm having a very bad Valentine's Day start. My God. Rose days are difficult. Finally, someone is taking my rose. I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Rose Day, के लिए और happy Rose Day. Take this rose from me. Thank you. I gave away my second rose. Successfully gave my third rose also. My rose day is going out really well. Although it started really difficult. Thank you so much. Oh, okay, rejection again. Will you take this rose from me?
No, thanks. I got it.
No.
फिर
Valentine's week sir. February month चल रहा
मैं
है.
ले रहा हूँ, मुझे खुशी हो रही है, वेरी गुड, बच्चे दे रहे हैं, मजा आ रहा है, वेरी नाइस. हो गया जी,
So I gave away my rose
अब मेरी
again.
फोटो आएगी, मेरी वाइफ कहेगी ना बेटा आपको फोन करूँगा.
I gave away my another rose. I'm so excited. Thank you very much. नहीं, rejection है. So, will you accept this rose from me? No. So far, I have successfully given away 5 roses. This is my 6th rose. Let's see who will be the next person who will receive this rose from you. I'm really good. Thank you so much. So I gave my 6th rose successfully to this man right here. After सर आपके रोज हो गए मुझसे कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे कुछ भी बताइए
One of the most beautiful roses that I have ever got from the most beautiful people that I have ever seen.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Oh wow, this is my last rose and I have just received a rejection. Let's see.
Well, I do. Any occasion?
Yes, this is a rose day. I wanted to give it to you.
Is it a rose day?
It's not surely, but yeah, you have to say something.
Well, I don't know. Thank you very much, maybe. That's about it.
Well, I successfully gave 9 roses to people here and that was my 9th rose and I think I have almost won the challenge, but let's see what Ashish has done, so we really need to see.
Happy Rose Day in advance. This is just, we're supposed to do it. We got one more. Thank you so much. Guys as well. I wouldn't mind giving to guys. Love is love. Anyone can take it. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, 1 second. Sorry. Happy Rose Day. Okay, my first rejection there. Now I know what rejection feels like. What one girl in Devon committed. Go camera. Second rejection. Excuse me, guys. Actually, it's okay, but she can keep the rose. It's from my end. It's not for you guys. Oh, you don't want it? Okay, that's fine. Let's make some. Okay, another rejection, which I'm getting used to now. I got 2 more people here. Hi, mom. Happy Rose Day. What do you have to say about this particular Valentine's Day and all these things?
तो काफ़ी अच्छा दिन है बस उन्होंने समझ नहीं आता है
How do you feel getting the rose from me?
आज तक किसी ने दिया नहीं है first time।
Alright, I'm the first then. 1 second, we got one more beautiful lady here. Happy Rose Day. How does it feel getting it from me? That's wonderful. What a happy Rose Day. I got one more here. I've just got a few roses left. Only 2 more roses left. Guys, I don't know how much time Jyoti took, but I am going to definitely do it much faster. Happy Rose Day. Happy Rose Day to you. Have a great one. Thank you. Done. I'm down to the last one here. Let me find someone nice. Happy Rose Day.
Happy Rose Day।
How do you feel getting the rose?
Good, feeling good।
So there you have it. I've finished all my roses and I'm not sure how much time it's taken. My team will tell me how much time I've taken, but I'm pretty sure I would have done it faster than Jyoti because clearly Jyoti is extremely selective with her choices, but I kept all my shame and my pride and my ego, everything to the side and made sure that I win the competition because winning is everything. Let's find out who won.
Okay, so Ashish took 3 minutes 40 seconds to complete the challenge, so clearly we have a winner here। Ashish has won this challenge।
4 times faster than you, Jyoti.
No,
All that makeup,
that
all
is 5G।
all that makeup, all that drama couldn't
People
do it.
couldn't see my face, okay? That means I was wearing a mask of first photo.
Exactly. Even I was wearing a mask, so people saw my heart. My heart is clean. My heart is pure. My heart is wonderful. And
I'm sure he must have done some cheating.
no, I gave it.
What did you do?
I gave it to one guy because I wanted to prove a point.
Okay,
This is
that
20.
isn't cheating. That's
And
That's not cheating.
everything is fair in love and war, right?
Everything is fair in love and war. This is the
and
21st
challenge
century.
as well।
This is the 21st century. Love is love, and there were no rules that we're not supposed to give to guys or girls or anything as such. The opposite gender. Love is love, Jyoti. Be accepting and also acknowledge the winner of this
And
challenge.
that is what Valentine's is all about, right?
That is what Valentine's is all about. So do let us know what you guys thought in the comment section below. And of course, I was the winner, so I'm pretty sure you guys must be impressed with me. Also, having said that, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TV9 News. Thanks a lot for watching.